It's a good day.
I believe you got a functioning VS22.
If you're watching this, it means I'm dead. If this doesn't go right. All right, and I think we are still.
Her fucking crazy ass to come out here looking for him.
Yep, we are still recording. So.
Oh, you're recording right now.
Yeah, I've been recording.
Oh shit.
Oh, here, don't pop some ears on. Ugh. These little bitches are sensitive.
Oh, I ain't shooting this right now.
Oh.
I'm just fixing my.
All right, and she is hot on my end.
Yeah, no, I wasn't gonna shoot.
You ready?
Yeah.
Sounded good. Let's get her back. Lock position. Need to reset my. It might have reset the trigger. I'm not sure. Let's do another. Come on, be good for daddy. What if? Oh, what the fuck's wrong with that one? That one's all fucked up already. What if we do 2 in the mag? This one blows up. Fucking bullet hits just right, comes back and fucking hits us.
Ooh!
Oh my god. I think that tungsten might have solved. I solved it.
I think you might have a.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm starting to shake. I'm getting fucking excited.
How long have you been working on it now? 3 months?
4
months?
Yeah, since November. I made a joke about it on Facebook, and then I'm like, you know how cool it'd be to make a VSS? And somebody like, dude, that'd be so fucking badass. I'm like, holy shit, you're right. That would be really badass. All right, 4 rounds in this magazine. Oh no, what? Oh, that's a fucked up bullet. Whew, I panicked. Okay, 3 rounds in the magazine. That was bullet going fucking sideways.
Oh shit.
Ugh, fuck you, CCI. 3 rounds. No, didn't reset, motherfucker. You just getting dirty? What's wrong with you, girl? Oh, yeah, fucking. Sideways too. Might have to put some fresh rounds out and then fucking dropping everywhere.
I was gonna say I heard the hammer drop on it, so it reset.
Yeah, the trigger reset. The bullet I just chucked though. That's what I get for spending $3 on a box. All right, 5 rounds. Then we'll move to motherfucker. Why? Oh my! I can see so much fucking wax on these fucking bitches.
Maybe we need to wipe each one of them down.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Well, it sucks though, because that wax, if it fucking pushes it sideways and it tries to feed it, it's fucking up the lead too. See?
Mm-hmm.
That wax caught it and it still tried to feed. Motherfucker. I'll grab a couple rounds and start wiping them down. Maybe we'll grab a different box. See if there's a box that's more full. Yeah, that one went in after wiping them. I could have sworn I had. They got subs for 7.62, sub 9 mil. Nope. pen mags, got some tools, extra batteries. Oh yeah, these just fell freely out. The others I had to kind of push out. Put these in my pocket. Alright, so she is loaded up with 2. And didn't reset that time. So the round come out. Nope, same thing. Alright, so let's do cleaner rounds. Don't fucking wax all over them. The irony is the wax is supposed to help them feed and lubricate the barrel.
Yeah.
Being 22. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no wax sitting in there. Alright, so this one has 6 in it, I believe. Oh my god. I might just have a bunch of wax build up. Because these things have been going in the chambers. Being a pain in the ass.
I would imagine if you have too much wax in there already.
I think it's gunking up because of that.
Yeah, I think it would act like as if like packing grease.
Yep. Get this off of here. And yeah, so let me clean out the wax. Oh yeah, there's a fuck ton of wax in there.
Just in case.
Yeah. Well, that's why I meant to grab the Aguilas, because they're not as waxy as the fucking CCIs.
Yeah.
But I'm an idiot and I got excited for having a day without the kids.
Oh yeah, they're back in school.
Yeah, they had to go to school because of snow days. Okay, how many's in here? I can see a few rounds in there. Let's see. Ugh. There we go. I should have put this on the trigger first.
I got you 5 rounds here that are still got wax on them, but it's smooth and no lumps on them.
Okay. Let me get that there. All right. There's a couple rounds in here. That was odd.
I wonder what caused that.
I think me not holding the string tight enough. Let it. Not by design. All right.
That's not a free-floating firing pin. It shouldn't have.
No, I think I bumped that shorter on it. He said he had 5. But there's not been one issue. I should probably not have mud on my fucking hands when I do that. Clay to make it worse. But
It's designed after an AK. It'd be fine.
Not once. You can see the mud on my fucking hands just
yeah.
But not once did it sound like it tried to have an out of battery.
Mm-mm.
And with the new firing pin, it's actually lighter. Things just match up better.
Mm-hmm.
She seems to be overcoming it with standard velocity, easy enough. Alright, 5 rounds. Not super waxy. Fuck you. Round, get in there.
Oh, did that one not even work?
Yeah, that one did. Also, I have not cleaned this gun since I started test firing. I've never cleaned the barrel.
Oh.
So that could also might be the issue.
Yeah.
So at this point, I think we have a good amount of rounds to her. Let's see if I can bounce that trigger. Nope. Reset. 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 Reset.
You're out.
Oh, 4. Oh yeah, I dropped that one round. Yeah, so I'm thinking probably should clean that barrel. Yeah, it tried to load, but she's just too dirty. You know what? I think I'm gonna drop her out of her little harness here. I will put my ears on just in case, but I think I may be trusting her enough again to shoulder her, which is ridiculous when we think about it, because we shouldered her the first day.
Yeah.
Trying to test fire her.
And I've got a very basic med bag with me, so if anything bad happens, I can stop the bleeding. So you'd be good.
Yeah, all right, let's swap this up. There we go. Ugh, I'm gonna trip over this string. That's what's gonna take me out.
I'm gonna stand on this side because historically,
It's true.
every time something happens, he goes flying that way.
Yeah. Yeah, and then do it in horizontal
Okay.
mode, because I'm gonna pair it with this footage, which that should be looking straight, I imagine. Let's get her stretched out. She fed. Let's go ahead and do I trust it enough? Yeah, I trust her enough. No. Trust her too much. She's waxed on that second one. Let me get her out.
I wonder. We could probably make a forest snake out of that string.
Well, now it's also covered in a bunch of dirt and shit too, though.
That is
Yeah, she was super fucking waxy. Yeah, I think a lot of it, yeah. I think it's on me for having the gun dirty. Oh, this is exciting.
Yeah, I think you got a functioning
I think so.
rifle.
Pistol,
Oh, pistol.
legally. It's braced and has no forward grip. Has what appears to be a handguard, but that's exactly what it is. It's not to grab it. It's to protect you from getting burned, of course. We might we might have to actually postpone more testing until I clean this barrel out. Because yeah, these rounds are clean, but yeah, they're getting stuck in the chamber trying to feed. And the actual head of the bullet is feeding. Oh. There we go. I think we got 2 rounds in there now. Yep, same thing. So, like, it's feeding. It's just getting gunked before it can get all the way in there. So I think I need to clean this barrel. Because even just manually extracting it's kind of a pain.
And they're going in clean and coming out waxy as all hell.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I can see chunks of wax right there that I'm blowing out. But I think if we get this bitch cleaned up,
I think you got a functioning, what is it, VS?
VS22. This is version 12 with a tungsten bolt. Well, I could do a single shot, just doesn't want to reload. You want to send one through her now that I haven't died yet? There you go. Let's see if she'll work for you. Alright, so rock and lock as normal. And all you do, pull back the bolt to free her up and let her fly. Of course it fucking works for you. And she cycled, yep.
Didn't reset though.
Ah. Yeah, so pull all the way back, you'll feel the trigger reset. I like that bolt hole open design I made.
I do. I like it too.
Too fancy.
It works.
Yeah, that's the important part. I was going to do like an AR style, but I felt like I'd lose aesthetics of what I was going for.
Oh, yeah.
Because then I won't be able to put the name and caliber on the side. If I did that, it'd be in the way.
That yeah. VS22.
It's true. The only one like it. Nope. Waxed. No, so you pull that down, then release the bolt. There you go. Need a kniff or pliers for? Nope, you're good.
Yeah, and that's fucking it all the way 10 ways to Sunday.
Yeah, like she's going in with plenty of force. It's just, yeah, she gets bound up on that wax. And then I feel like probably with the out of batteries I had previously and never cleaning it, I imagine the chamber is extremely dirty.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Yeah.
Does the safety work?
Nope, I trimmed down the trigger as I was testing everything. Okay. So the safety, it will prevent it from resetting the trigger. But, yeah, it won't actually engage the safety bar on it.
That thing's pretty sweet.
Yep. Yeah, and then the that follower where it's higher and being rimfire, it holds the bolt open so you don't accidentally drop the firing pin on a empty chamber.
Yeah.
Oh man, I gotta clean that barrel. This is exciting. It's a good day.
I believe you got a functioning VS22.
Yeah. Oh, about damn time. Now to do all the work up and let it set sail on the sea.